मित्रांनो, हे पॉलिटेक्निक इंजिनियर कॉलेज आहे आपल्या विखे पाटलांचं. आणि इकडे आता कॅन्टीनला चाललो आहे आपण. शिक्षणात किती बदल होते बघू शकतात. कसं मस्त माणूस, म्हणजे शिक्षण एक काळाची गरज आहे मित्रांनो. टेक्निकली शिक्षणच एक व्यावसायिक शिक्षण फायद्याचं असतं. स्वतःची कंपनी, स्वतःचा उद्योगधंदा टाकू शकतो आपण. चला, एक ग्राउंड आहे मित्रांनो. गेस्ट हाऊस. Civil engineering college.
Abhijit Indekar, and I am working as a vice president operations in one of the pharmaceutical companies based in Dubai. And once Martin Luther King says, "Great structures will be built only on a strong foundation." And coincidentally, mine was the first batch of chemical engineering. So I am in 92. Yeah. So when I took the admission, there was always the ambiguity, being the first batch, how the things will go. But today I can say proudly, whatever the decision I made. So I'm really proud of this institute, which has really built a strong foundation on which my entire career has been built. Secondly, I will not say I'm a direct employer, but being a leadership position, I frequently involved in the recruitment of the students, and on few occasions I came to this institute for campus interview as well. So I could see a lot of strength in the students, as well as there is a good level of hand holding from all staff, HODs and the college management. The qualities. Correct. So the thing is like they are really competitive, and I think when I evaluate, in fact they are also competing with the NITs and IIT students. So that kind of level of education and skill sets have been improved. Only thing is because this is basically a rural based institute, and it is, I will not say it is challenge, it is a limitation of this area. And one aspect too is only that the communication. So normally the students come to colleges from a state board where the primary language is Marathi. So I feel that is one kind of challenge the students are facing when they enter into the industry. So if we introduce something on this, definitely they will explore more capabilities in the industry. Thank you.
Thank you. And there was a lady.
I'm really proud to say we are the first graduate pass out of engineering. This was in 1990, almost 32 years ago. Currently I am vice president in clinical laboratories. I work for other pharmaceutical companies like as such, I not only keep coming for the campuses because I feel like we are real colleagues with the students of this institute, and they are always ahead of the other institutes. That's why we keep on whenever there are series coming to our table for the selections. So normally we see a lot of advantages positives from the students which are coming from this institute. So I also look forward to have few people like entering into the industry experience, or maybe you will have your own aspirations. So I wish all of you to have a good success for the future life.
मिस्टर काळे संपत पहिल्या बॅचचे माझे विद्यार्थी आहेत. त्यांची सक्सेस स्टोरी मी तिथं डिपार्टमेंटला लावलेलीच आहे. दिवाळी अंकामध्ये 2018 साली पब्लिश झालेली आहे. त्यांची स्वतःची बदलापूर येथे श्री केमिकल अक्षरशः जेव्हा 91-92ला त्यांनी ॲडमिशन घेतलं, अतिशय गरीब परिस्थिती होती. शून्यातून त्यांनी आज चांगल्या निर्माण केली.
अशा पद्धतीने मीटिंग तो एक होतं मला आठवत शिवशेखर होतो. ट्युटोरियल रूम आहे मित्रांनो. हे बघा तिथे गाडी साहेबांचा आपले त्यांचा उल्लेख आलेला आहे. इथे विखे पॉलिटेक्निकचे माझे विद्यार्थी दुबईत गौरव, केमिकल उद्योगात भरारी. अशा पद्धतीने इथे बघू शकता मित्रांनो. आपल्या म्हणजे ज्या कॉलेजने त्यांना शिकवलं आहे त्या कॉलेजचं तिथे ते दिलेलं आहे. हे असं आहे.
फोटो काढायचे
घेतलं
मस्त आहे ना कॅम्पस.